and then namhlanje ngiphethe umdledle u-Ino second game uphasile i-trial, so simbuyisile ukuthi azoqhubeka futhi azokhuluma nathi. Ino grand bro wami.
Hayi ngiyaphila unjani mfethu?
Hayi nami ngiyaphila bro wami, and it's good to have you on the show. Obviously kusho ukuthi hayi utshengisile ukuthi khona into oyiphethe kuze sikubuyise mngani wami.
Hayi no, ngiyabonga ukuthi ungibuyisile mfethu.
Ya mamela, khona into engifuna sikhulume ngayo man, Ino man, yabo. Nina lapha kuBhakaniya man, kudala nisi-criticize, nihlale nisi-criticize ukuthi i-Sundowns isayina ama-player amaningi. Yeah, they are killing competition in South African football, wara. Mara masikhuluma ibala, othi uyabheka iBhakaniya lisayine boma 45 players, first team players in the past 5 years. Hey, kusho ukuthi iyasayina nayo iPirates, ayidlali, yabona. And when we look at i-left back position specifically, kuno Dion Hotto lapho, kunoNkosi Khona Ndaba, kunoNeo Rapuo. All of them are competing for one place. Is that level of competition healthy for the club, or can the squad this large end up slowing i-development yama-player? Uyibona kanjani wena? Hayi ngiyasayina bafethu.
Hayi okay, ngiyakuzwa into oyishoyo mfethu. But into efana nayo, like we judge up based on ama-results we-team, because you are saying for the past 5 years the Pirates sign how many players? 45?
Yeah.
Yama-player. Okay. For the past 5 years the Pirates win ama-trophy ayingakhi?
Hayi no, hayi angali niyawina impela, niyawina. Hayi ama-trophies niyawawina, abo Black Label, hayi no niyashisa, ngiyanivuma. No domestical ama-cup, hayi yini ompethe.
So kusho ukuthi iyasebenza lento.
Yeah. And then nawe
Iyasebenza.
nawe Mdledle, uke waba nama-rivalry kuyo leyo left back position esikhuluma ngayo, ngoba hey, and futhi abantu abaningi into abangayazi ukuthi uMkhaya lobo une-rivalry naye, abomkhaya in fact. Hey, you guys had a serious rivalry. Ugqoka number 3 lapha kuBhakaniya, kodwa bekunoLucas Thwala. Ngathi le rivalry yenu futhi ayiphelelanga kuBhakaniya, ize yaya nasesquadini. Awusitshele nje about your rivalry with uLucas Thwala, ngoba ngempela it's one of those rivalries esiwakhumbulayo masicabanga ibhola the time isidlala thina. How was it like competing for a position in a big team like iBhakaniya, with another player like uLucas Thwala who also wagcina sekadlala naye kuBafana Bafana njengawe?
As in fact, angifuni ukukutshela amanga, that was the most difficult rivalry engingaba nayo, like to be same position against uLucas Thwala. Like hey, beku-difficult, but ngingakutshela iqiniso, I remember ngizosayina ne-Pirates, Vodacom League, you remember?
Yeah.
So i-Pirates yangithola lapho to a Vodacom team, ilona i-Witbank Spurs, and mengisayina i-Pirates bengingamazi uLucas Thwala. Mengifika bengingamazi, like bengayibukeli kakhulu i-Pirates. Maybe I don't remember ngimbona, because I remember mengifika ilo i-pre-season, uLucas Thwala nama-play Pirates bewangekho, kumele ngiyodlala ilona it was towards ilona i-Vodacom Challenge. So ama-player we-Pirates bewangekho, beyodlala ku-national team, I don't know i-Europe or yini. Then bekunama-left back i-Pirates asele bewayi-2, excluding Lucas, because beyangekho. Beku-Aphetnego Nichotswe noMusasa. Do you remember Musasa?
Yeah. Khumbula kahle.
Ngifika mina ngitshela ukuthi ngiyokompita nabantu abayi-3, nabantu abayi-2 actually, uAphetnego noMusasa. Then we played ilona first game ne-team yaseGhana, i-Vodacom Challenge. And the second game, I remember we played against the Kaizer Chiefs. We beat them 2-0, Vodacom Challenge, like cup final. Mekora Moape and Mlelo Mbele. You remember that game?
Ngikhumbula Lelo.
So, and after that game, ekumele kuyodlala i-league. We're going to play against the Black Leopards, Ellis Park Stadium. Then ingwenya seziyabuya-ke ze-Pirates manje. Because I thought mina ukuthi ngikhompyutha nabantu abayi-2. So, bebebuya sebangitshela manje ukuthi hayi no, nayi inkalakathi ibuyile. Inkalakathi ibuyile. Angimazi uLucas Chwala mina. Bengazi nokuthi waseMpumalanga. Nje. Yena sengibambile starting lineup lapho because ngidlale 2 games and the Sweeney Vodacom Challenge, i-mood, i-high, everything nje. Imnandi amabhakani ajabulile, management, everybody know. And our coach Constantine Papich, like he was very happy in performance yami. So come mesiyodlala i-league. Hey, ngiyayibona ingwenya manje. Sekuyojinywa manje. But nayi ingwenya and bekabuya ku-development yebo yes. And wenza umsebenzi wami ube more difficult manje because ubuya kulona ku-development ye-Pirates and mina just came in and ngibuya ku-Vodacom League.
Yeah.
Yeah, bebisathatha njenge-amateur league lapho phela. Eish. The next thing, okay, ngangi-introduce kuye siya-introduce-ana. Sengiyafind out ukuthi umuntu waseMpumalanga phela. Nelspruit. And I'm from Woodburn. Le kuzoba inkinga le. I remember after that, after training, the first year training is preparing for the first game in Premier League. Bengifika endlini ngifuna ama-video alo muntu, ngifuna ukubona lo muntu lo abakhuluma ngayo because bengamazi.
Yeah. Ubone ukuthi what are you dealing with?
Ngajuluka ngihleli mfethu. Adale kuzoba i-problem le. Like bengathi it's almost uzibuka wena, ukwazibuka like uzibuka e-TV, almost ngathi ubuka wena like
yeah.
Asifani ukufana lokho when it comes to i-play yethu. But uyabona ukuthi kunomdledle engimbonayo kulo muntu lona. And nakumdledle kunothwala engimbonayo lana yabona.
Serious, you guys ngempela beninama qualities afanayo. Yazi ungasho uyiphinde wena nothwala. Aggression yenu beyifana. Both of you ndlala position A1, both are from Mpumalanga, both also competing naku national team. Yabo so nje ama-attributes wenu bewafana, but ke ongitshele ku national team it even gets worse ke ku national team. Eda omunye futhi enye left back uTshepo Masilela naye ositshele ke ngoTshepo ke ngoba naye ukhona lapho noLucas Chwala ukhona and nonke nabomkhaya osibekele ke i-relationship lapho that rivalry as well ye left back position esquadini.
Okay. Uyayibona ngento engibhekene nayo. Abantu bathi impilo enzima, hayi ime uthola unzima empilweni like bekunzima mfethu but into bengithanda ngayo yonke lento lena ukuthi we all had ilona i-competition healthy because buye ekasile one akekho omunye obekane-jealous nomunye obvious like uba nalento le moyi-player like medlala i-team ungadlali uba nalento leyo yabona yokuthi ungaphatheki udlale but awunayo inzondo ukuthi ngoba kudlala lo ufuna yenza amaphutha or something. No, when it comes to yena no because nalowo ukuthi sibuya eprovincini A1 bekuyidlala i-role kakhulu. It was worse ngoTshepo because sibuye Witbank soyi-2. So every time yathi mayadlala I had ukuthi ngimsupport yabona. Abe right. And the time naku under 23 was also with Tshepo because uLucas bekamdala kunathi. So bekunzima ngalendlela leyo ukuthi coach Steve Kompela wagcina achincha ulo asichincha soyi-2 wachincha mina ngidlalisa i-center back, left center back, wadlalisa uTshepo i-left back. Kwesinye isikhathi bekadlalisa uTshepo i-central midfield, mina ngiyeke u-left
left
back
back.
because uyakhumula bekunabo-Deeplin Ntuka, like there were lot of good players there ne-23 yethu. So like le competitions zaseMpumalanga beyi-confuse abantu abaningi because uma ubuya naku-Pirates, I remember becoach lo coach uMtombo naye waba ne-same problem bekanayo coach Steve Kompela, u-end up athathe uLucas Kthwala amdlalisa i-centre back, mina ngidlalisa i-left back because beku-difficult kithi sima-player, also beku-difficult nakuma-coach because bebengafuni ukuthi either of us ahlale ebhenchini, so they had ukuthi bazame yabona
Adjust.
ba-adjuste the way ba-adjusta ngakhona, but both players bawafune lona egroundini. So si-end up sonke-ke manje sesihlangana ku-national team-ke soyi-3 manje-ke.
Ziyabuya boss.
Hey, ukudila koyi-1 ku-right, 2 abe ku-difficult, but it was challenging at the same time. Besisiza ukuthi as an individual, as a player, like ukhona ukuzipusha because like I said before, it was the first time in my career ukuthi ngizothola like ama-player good kanjena like engizocompete now, but behlala sipushana each and every time and beyi-healthy, bekana-jealousy, like besiphusha nje sikhuthazana kuphela, and noma sikhuluma nje hhayi yonke into beyishapha, odlalile ongadlalanga adlalanga, but yona hayi mfethu hhayi bestressa yona kakhulu.
No, ngiyakuzwa kahle bro wami about the healthy competition that you had with uTshepo no Lucas Kthwala. But I would like to know between the two, because hey, nonke beni ama-star player man, nonke ndlalile esquadini. But who would you consider yourself, who would you consider ngempela ukuthi I know competition between mina naye hayi beyistifu kakhulu between the two, Tshepo noThwala?
Hey, anibhizi namuhla ngama-difficult questions,
Funa ukwazi ngidlala abantu bafuna ukwazi which was your stiffest competition.
No, look, njengoba bengisho ukuthi they were both like good players, good left backs. Like the only thing ebekhona ukuthi ama-qualities wabo angafani, but that's why like i-competition beyi-tight kanjena, beyinzima kanjena, but angeke ngikhona ukuchoose because njengoba ngisho ukuthi nama-qualities wabo abafani, because maybe now uma ungabuza like beku-difficult, soyi-3 so because we're all like good left back, so angeke ngikwazi ukuchoose ukuthi ngisho ukuthi ubani bekanzima because they were both like good left backs, and difficult boy-two like ukompita nabo. So when it comes to that, I think both like be difficult.
No, ngiyakuzwa bro wami, and it's interesting to hear about itori zakho ne-rivalry yakho noTshepo no Lucas Kthwala, more especially because nibuya ikaseli yi-1 eMalahleni, which also happens to be ikasi lami nami, umagogo wase-Witbank, so nami ngowaseMalahleni bafowethu, kusho ukuthi ama-left footer kuphela aseMalahleni. And anyway, no. Yeah. Anyway, siyabonga kakhulu man. It was an interesting show, and thank you very much again for coming to the show. Kusoka BTA too. That's our show, guys. Thank you again for tuning in, and please subscribe and like and follow us. And if you have questions for Umdledle, he's always available to answer your questions, guys. Sibonga kakhulu. Danko.